Does your cat keep going to the litter box but barely pees? It might not just be a behavioral issue. It could be FUS, or feline urologic syndrome. Learn the signs, causes, and how to prevent this painful and sometimes life-threatening condition. Watch our first ever episode, Just for Cats. Hi fur parents, Doc Ferds here. In this channel, we post videos, cases, topics, and tips on how to better take care of your fur babies. And this week, let's talk about something every cat parent should know. Feline urologic syndrome, or FUS, also called as FLUTD, or feline lower urinary tract disease. This condition can affect any cat, but especially mga lalaking pusa, male cats. FUS refers to a group of conditions that affect the bladder and the urethra. It's painful, it can come on suddenly, and in some cases, life-threatening ito kung hindi maaagapan. So here are the most common signs that you should watch out for. Number 1, frequent trips to the litter box. Punta sa litter box. Number 2, straining but passing very little to no urine. Kala mo, parang nadjejeb siya pero umiihi pala, hindi mo na-realize. Number 3, crying or vocalizing while urinating. Number 4, peeing outside the litter box. Akala mo nagbabahad behavior lang siya, pero may sakit na pala. Number 5, blood in the urine. Kung napapansin nyo ito, especially in male cats, wag na pong maghintay. Dalhin agad sa vet because it could be a urinary blockage. When the urethra gets blocked, the urine has nowhere else to go. So the bladder fills up, pressure builds, and toxins start backing up. That's why this can quickly turn into an emergency. So what causes FUS? Number 1, crystals or stones in the urine. Number 2, inflammation of the bladder. Number 3, stress. No? And number 4, lower water intake. And in some cases, number 5, hindi talaga natin alam. Or what we call, when your vet says na it's idiopathic. Kasi hindi natin talaga alam kung ano yung root cause. Pero, alam natin the male cats are especially at high risk kasi mas magipot yung urethra nila or yung daanan ng ihi, making it easier for a plug or crystal to block the flow of urine. Pero good news, there are ways to prevent it. Here are some tips. Number 1, encourage hydration. So, use mga water fountains or adding water to the food para mas madaming mainom silang tubig, and offer wet food regularly. Yan, very important. Number 2, feed a proper diet, especially if your vet recommends a urinary health formula because we see that your cat needs it. Let's obey that. Let's follow that. Number 3, manage stress. Kahit minor changes sa bahay gaya ng bagong furniture or bagong alagang hayop, pwedeng mag-trigger ng problema sa pusa. If you have multiple cats in a household, the formula that I give to my clients, kung ilan yung number ng cats, +1 para merong sobrang isa pang pwede nilang puntahan. Number 4, keep the litter box clean. Cats are very particular. Napaka-arte. Maselan. Ayaw nila ng maduming CR. So, make sure that you clean them regularly. Number 5, maintain a healthy weight. Because obesity increases the risk of urinary issues. I've treated many cats with feline urologic syndrome, and while most recover well, mas maganda pa rin ang prevention at maagang gamutan. So if your cat shows any signs, wag na maghintay. Wag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Get them checked right away. This is our first ever episode focused on cat health, and I'm so excited to share most feline content with you. If you found this helpful, please like, follow, and share with other cat lovers. I'm Doc Ferds Resio, and I'll see you next time para sa masaya, malusog, at walang barang pusa.